Okay, so hi everyone. So I'm here for the string and its methods in Python. So first of all, we will start with the basics. Like for example, if I write print and in single quotation, if I write anything and we will get the output. Same way, if I write print and if I write in double quotation, still we will get the output. And if I write print and if I write anything in triple quotation, still I will get the output. So this is all about string initial or basic things like it accept single quotation, double quotation as well as the triple single and triple double also. And now the coming to the second part, that is all about indexing. So suppose I have one message. So I'm using one variable as a message and I'm writing for example hello and world I'm writing. Okay, so I have stored that hello world in that message variable. Now I'm interested to print h. So in Python string index always start from 0. So if I write print and inside the bracket if I write message and I'm interested in message of 0 index. Okay, so if I press enter, I will get the output as what? H. Same way, here it is not like that if you give only positive number, then you will get the output. If you give negative number, then here you all can see that this is our D, that is at index number -1. So suppose if I write print and if I write a message and then if I write bracket and if I write -1 and closing bracket, it indicates negative index 1. So I'm getting the answer as what? D. So this is all about indexing where for particular letter, if you are interested in printing, then you can write the index number of that letter and you will get the answer. Same way, there is one more thing, for example, slicing. Okay, slicing, it has many variation. It depends what exactly you want. For example, print and then bracket, and if I write a message and then if I write a square bracket and inside this square bracket colon colon two times and then lastly for example -1. So basically if first part is not given, that is this part, it indicates by default 0. If the second part is not given, then by default it consider last. And then if the third part depends what you are giving, like a positive one or negative one. So and I will close the bracket also and I will get the output from the -1 side, because if it is by default 0 and the step count is -1, so it will start from -1 and it will go till end. So this is how you can reverse also any number if you are interested in reversing any number. Like for example, if I write print and suppose like I'm writing one variable like a is equal to, but that is also string 1 2 3. Okay, and then if I write print, the same thing actually I will just copy paste actually the same thing I'm interested right now. So I will just copy paste and instead of message the variable name is a. So I will write over here a also, and it is showing me 3 to 1. So like guys, you know about palindrome program where we are interested in reversing the number. So this is possible over here. Second thing, suppose like as per earlier this one, that is the message equal to hello world. Strings are immutable. That means we cannot change a value of the string if it is created. Suppose if I try to modify, for example, if I write message of 0 index, and right now we know at 0 h is there, and if I try t, for example, if I try to modify like this, it will give me an error that strings are immutable and it is not possible to change. So you cannot modify. That is the next thing. Now, what is the meaning of plus operator and multiplication operator? Suppose we have a is equal to hello, and then we have b is equal to world, and you are interested in joining this two string hello and world joining. So to join or to concatenate, we have to use plus sign. So it is print a plus b and you will get the answer hello and world. Same way, if I say multiplication operator, like for example, I have a is equal to hello And then if I write b is equal to one integer number, for example 3, and then if I write print a into b, so obviously it will print hello three times, because in a we have hello and in b it is like a value that is 3. So you all can see it is printing hello but without space. If you want with space, then here where you are writing a is equal to hello, this line, so before you close the double quotation, give one space over here. So you will find hello, then space, hello, then again space, and then again you will find the hello. Then suppose you are interested in finding the length of any string, considering a is equal to hello, the same thing only. So here if I write print, okay, and then if I write for example len, that is the command name for that, and I'm interested in checking the length of a. Okay, so we will get the answer as what? 5. That is HELLO. Then we know like uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, swept case or title and all that things. So suppose A is equal to something is written like hello. And then if I write print, okay, and suppose you are interested in printing uppercase, or if I say you are interested in printing in a lowercase or whatever, like because here we have different types of cases, like swept case, meaning of the set case, then we have what you can say title, each has a different meaning. So suppose you are interested, first we will start actually with the uppercase. So for example, if it is print a, that is nothing but our variable name dot, and then we will write upper, and then bracket of that upper function inbuilt, and then closing bracket. So you all can see it is printing in uppercase. Now same way you can try for lower also, and only the difference is swept case, that is one more case. Swept case means if it is capital it will convert it into lower case, if it is lower case it will get converted into capital. But only thing is if it is for example a is equal to, and I am writing today is Monday, if I am writing like this for example, and if I write print, and if I write a dot, if I write title, that is one more function. Okay, so what I am getting is there are total three words, today, is and Monday, and for each of the word I am getting the answer first letter as a capital. But same thing if I write print, and if I write a dot capitalize, so you all can see only the first word, first letter is capital and other are small as it is only. That is only the difference between this title and capitalize. Then we know like membership operator like in and not in. So directly I am writing for example print, and if I write suppose p, and then if I write in, and we are interested in checking p, that is there in Python or not. That is our second string. That is what we are interested in. If it is there, it will give you answer in the form of true. Otherwise, it will give you answer as what? False. Same way, if I write print, and suppose if I write b in, b not in actually, we will try not in, but let's say for example boy, and then we will close the bracket. So b not in boy, we are getting answer as what? False. So likewise, we can compare also if we are interested in comparing two strings, like A is equal to, for example, A, B, C, D, like something like this, and B is equal to, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, something like this. And then we are interested in printing that A is equal to B. So we are writing the condition part inside the print only. So suppose if they are same, okay, so we will get the answer as true, otherwise we will get the answer as what? False. So here you all can see we are getting the answer as false. Likewise, we have many string functions like strip function, find function, index function, count function, replace function, split, join, then start with, then partitions. So that I'm going to cover in my next video. So see you soon. Thank you guys.